Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the best Avowed settings for maximum FPS and quality. So first of all, we're going to edit Avowed settings in-game. So you're going to go to settings on Avowed game. Then on a window mode on graphics here, you want to choose windowed full screen. Frame limit, you want to choose unlimited or match your monitor's frame rate. Then another setting you want to go ahead and do is turn off VSync. Now, ray tracing, you can go ahead and leave it on if your GPU can handle it. If not, then turn it off. Now, on upscaling, you want to choose, if you're using NVIDIA, then NVIDIA graphics card, DLSS. If AMD, then choose AMD. And now DLSS, super resolution quality, you want to choose balanced because the higher ones, basically your PC will not handle it probably. Now DLSS frame generation, just set it to auto, and then low latency, you want to turn it on. Now you want to scroll down until you see advanced settings. On advanced settings, you want to choose graphics quality to custom. And now view distance should be on high, shadow quality on medium, texture quality on high, shading quality on medium, effects quality on high, foliage quality on high. Then post-processing quality can be medium, reflection quality low, and global illumination on high. Now, once you have set all of those settings, you want to apply the changes. And now we can go ahead and go to our PC settings. So you want to go on search and write down graphics settings. On graphics settings, you want to make sure on advanced graphics settings here that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on, variable refresh rate is also on, and you also want to go ahead and open up your NVIDIA control panel. On NVIDIA control panel, you want to go on 3D settings and manage 3D settings, and then on global settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see shader cache size. And you want to go ahead and choose either 100 GB or unlimited. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.